Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to find an Instagram user's location, so let's get started. First, open Instagram and head to the user's profile. You can do this by tapping the magnifying glass icon at the bottom and searching for their username. If the account is already in your DMs, you can access it from there as well. Once on the profile, check if it's a business or personal account. Business profiles sometimes include a location in their bio. If not, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select About this account. This will show details about the account, including its country of origin. For instance, when you view Mark Zuckerberg's profile and tap About this account, it shows that the account is based in the United States. The same method works for other accounts too. Try it on Apple's official profile, and you'll see the account is also based in the United States. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.